We have got an absolutely stunning over-the-top 1968 Mustang Fastback, tricked out with accessories. Looks like it was dipped in red nail polish. Brand new, all genuine leather custom interior, fuel injected 302 motor, cold air conditioning. Go to volocars.com. That's where you find 200 classic cars, all with price tags and monthly finance options as well, including this one. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Okay, the body's killer. I'm sure it's better than it looked back in 68. It has the Sprint hood with built-in turn signals that work. The hood is straight. The paint is beautiful, glossy. They took the Mustang emblems off the hood for a clean look. The fender is slick as can be, all nice and clean, looking sharp. The fastback roof is excellent. It has this little rib right down the middle that looks sharp. It shuts like new, no rattles. Shelby scoops, looking really nice here, all straight. The fiberglass Shelby dovetail trunk with the quarter extensions, and all of this is straight and fits real nicely. Eliminated emblems back here for a nice clean look. This side is looking just as sharp. I mean, it is straight. It's a knockout. It's beautiful all the way right down to the bottom. Oop, this door is open. Shuts real nice too. No bubbles, no blisters, no issues. It's straight, no door dings. I don't see any issue with the body or paint on this car. Up front has the complete air dam, and then it has the front spoiler as well. So absolutely slick. This is going to turn heads. A custom grill. I'm not sure if that's billet, but I know it's a custom grill with the running pony in there. Windshield is new, has the chrome bullet style mirrors. Billet Specialty wheels. They're 17s in front. Looks like they're the same in back. Probably a little bit wider. Yep, 17s. New door handles. Original rear glass, but in really nice shape. Only a few really light scratches. New bumper. GT gas cap. Oops. Take that out of my paycheck. LED taillights too, so nice bright taillights. All right, why don't we open it up, see what's inside. All right, we have a nice little treat inside this trunk compartment. Well, the bottom is all finished and painted and the weather strip is new. But look what we have inside here. All boxed and lined. We have subwoofers on each side. Even has red trim around the speakers. Very cool. Then, of course, this door opens up into the compartment because it is the 2+2. Now, this panel might lift up. No, it does not. Just a gas tank underneath there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when videos are posted. And we have 200 cars on our website, each with a Buy It Now button. That's a way you can lock in the car. Door jambs are slick. Weather strips are new. Now, the gentleman that we just acquired the car from just did this interior. There's like no miles on it. It's all genuine leather. Look at the honeycomb stitching and the houndstooth upholstery on the door panels. The dash is really nice. Let's see if we can light it up. Got some cool gauges. They light up nice, clean, white. 1,730 miles is all that's on there. Tachometer, clock, new dash pad, all the trim, all the bezels are new. Retro stereo, they even had it dialed into red. All the metal is painted smooth. Kick panel speakers. Nice plush Mustang embroidered mats on top of new carpet. It's got a nice cold air conditioning system. The console was all wrapped in leather with red stitching, all new shifter and bezel. Cup holders, we got to have those these days. Nice raised armrest. I love a good armrest. It's all new stuff. Now you see the seats match the door panels, and again, this is real Genuine leather, not fake stuff. All cushioned real nicely. The back seat's the same. It's got seat belts for everybody. This seat does fold down, and the sides are typically just plastic. Look how it's all wrapped and glued in leather. The lights are working. The headliner is all custom Alcantara, like that suede material, beautifully done. The visors are done to match. New mirror, walnut steering wheel. And I noticed there's a microphone for the stereo, so it's hands-free. So yeah, one heck of a nice interior. There's pictures with the back seat folded down on our website. Beautiful motor compartment. I mean, this is detailed and fresh and show quality. That's a 302 motor, a little hotter cam, aluminum intake on top with an Edelbrock, I think it's called a ProFlow fuel injection system. Nice finned valve covers. It's got a set of headers down there. You can see the whole engine bay, pristine metal with a smooth finish. The support bars chromed. And then the front of the engine has a complete, it looks like a March front runner system, all nice billet brackets, serpentine belt with billet pulleys, a mini polished AC compressor, polished alternator, a modern power steering system with this remote billet reservoir. And then up front here, obviously everything's painted real nice. Gel battery, aluminum radiator, electric fan, MSD ignition. Yep, looks like MSD. All nice braided hoses and wires and cadmium bolts and just all really slick, clean stuff. Look at the bottom of the hood. That's show quality right there, folks. All right, you're going to go for a ride, and we'll see you back in a few minutes.
All right, everybody, got a really nice Mustang to cruise here today. Start by saying just fuel injection system, turn it over and it starts very easily. So that was really nice. 302 C4 automatic transmission. It's all tucked into this really nice custom center console here. Very handy cup holders. Modern amenities people kind of overlook or don't even think about, really. Got the armrest, the storage in there. It's an air conditioning car that does work. Also has power steering. So that part's nice and easy as well. Disc brakes. Good sound and exhaust here. I'll show you everything. Horn, radio, air blows. Check out our reels that we're putting out. It shows all the functionality of the car. Wipers, everything like that. So, but yeah, let's see what she's got. Just like that, up to highway speeds, absolutely no problem. I thought just a really good looking, good running car. Very consistent across the RPMs right there. Nothing else you could ask for. Again, very comfortable. The seats are nice on this one. Those low backs, got really good cushion on them, really good, kind of like spring almost. I like it. All the gauges are working. I looped it around the block already once, so it's already up to temperature, fuel gauge, oil pressure. And these light up. They got a clock built into them, showing 1,736 miles on the odometer. I'm assuming that's since the restoration was complete. Turn signals lighting up, even in the hood there, and on the dashboard, and canceling. Always like having it up on the hood or the fenders also. Just A really cool little something extra to look at and have fun with. But yeah, come test drive it if you want to. Just set up, you know, an appointment with our sales department. They'll be happy to arrange that for you. Our shop went through this car also. They thought it ran just as good as I did. A couple minor tinkering things to get it really dialed in, but yeah, here it is. See it with your own two eyes. Runs and drives just fine. Really nice, fun time. Great looking car too. So, but yeah, you can check out all the details of the inspection and what we fixed on it on our website. And that's where I would encourage you to go next to our website, volocars.com. That's where you can get the full listing description on this car and all the details.
So I was told this car was flipped on a rotisserie for the restoration. The underbody, the floors, the frame rails, the structure, all that appears to be pristine metal, all painted a nice satin black. Front end was completely rebuilt. It does have some lowering springs and gas shocks. The power steering was all rebuilt. Has disc brakes in front, drum and back. Nice Flowmaster exhaust system. Fuel system was all replaced and upgraded for the fuel injection. Just a clean car. You look up at the motor as an extra capacity anodized oil pan. The C4 automatic trans was rebuilt, looks fresh, rebuilt drive shaft. So yeah, just stunning. I mean, let me just get out of the way. Look at that one more time. That is killer. That's going to turn heads. That's sexy. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.